Hello?
Hi, this is Bridget. Should I?
Do you have a metronome? I do. But I have to warn you. It's cursed. Whatever.
Been away for college, was the baddest geek around. He's been doing everything but make his parents proud. He tried his best to study hard, but still he got too drunk. Won lots of beer pong tournaments, but still he had to flunk. His ex-girlfriend got a girlfriend. His Barbie tried to female Ken, but when the white ball is the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the pong dance.